Disclaimer: the following video is a work of fiction and is solely for entertainment purposes. In addition, the tones in this video are valid EAS tones. Do not play these tones over the air as it will cause mass panic and confusion. Doing so will result in you receiving a $1 million fine, or hell, even jail time. You have nobody to blame but yourself.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for West Hardin County, northwestern Ohio, southwestern Hancock County, northwestern Ohio, southeastern Putnam County, northwestern Ohio, until 7:15 a.m. At 6 a.m., Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado over Mount Victor. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northwest at 55 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the city of Kenton. Take cover now. Locations impacted include Kenton, Blanchard, McGuffey, Alger, Ada, Dunkirk, Arlington, Genera, Bluffton, Bryson, Benton Ridge, and Pandora. This is a life-threatening situation with complete devastation likely. You could be killed, if not underground, or in a tornado shelter. Do not delay, seek shelter now. If no underground shelter is available, seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles will not provide sufficient protection from this tornado. Rainfall may obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Hardin, Hancock, and Putnam.